never can see Alex, especially if I'm taking pictures.
The guys that are way ahead. We're ready to come back. Look at you.
Coach Butler's on your tail.
Guys, straight all the way down. Straight down, dog.
Over there then.
Probably. Maybe go down this way towards the stop sign so we can get him going around the corner.
Okay. He likes all dogs.
Yeah. What kind is your dog?
A golden retriever.
So pretty.
Thank you. And yours is
Yorkie Poo.
Oh, Yorkie Poo.
Yeah.
They have all these mixtures now.
Yeah.
That's why I always know they're different. They're
So you can try, huh?
Down. Up.
How's Jonathan doing? Hot, I know. You wore your shoes today? Because it's pavement. I wouldn't think that would feel very good.
Oh, you did. Hang on, she's going to trip now. Sweaty. Is it locked, the car box?
It's weird how it works.
These go in a plastic bag or they'll be all over the you know where.
So you're going to try to catch her later?
I'm going to try again.